Ever wondered about creating your own 3D mural at home? Imagine transforming any wall into a stunning piece of art with nothing more than cement and a dash of creativity. This is the magic of 3D cement murals. In essence, it's about molding cement into intricate shapes, letting them harden, and then assembling them into a mural. It's like painting, but with cement and in 3 dimensions. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of creating your own 3D cement mural. First things first, gather all the necessary materials. You're going to need a few things for this project. Let's start with cement. Cement is the backbone of our mural, providing the solid structure we need. Next, we have sand. Mixed with our cement, it helps to give our mural a rough, textured finish that's perfect for painting. Speaking of painting, you'll need some water-based paint and a set of brushes. The paint brings our mural to life, adding color and depth, while the brushes allow us to create intricate details and effects. Now let's not forget about water. We'll use it to mix our cement and sand into a workable paste. Last but certainly not least, we need a 3D mold. The mold is where your creativity really shines. Choose a design that speaks to you, whether it's an abstract pattern or a detailed scene. Now that we have all the materials in place, we can start the exciting process of creating our 3D mural. Time to get our hands dirty and prepare our cement mixture. The secret to a perfect 3D mural lies in the consistency of our cement mix. So let's dive right in. First, we'll need 3 main ingredients: cement, sand, and water. The ideal ratio is 1 part cement to 3 parts sand. Start by dry mixing the cement and sand together until they blend into a uniform color. Then slowly start adding water, mixing as you go. Getting the right consistency is crucial. You're aiming for a paste-like consistency, similar to thick pancake batter. It should hold its shape when molded, but not be so stiff that it crumbles. It's a bit of a balancing act, so don't be disheartened if you don't get it right on your first try. Practice makes perfect after all. With our cement mixture ready, we can now move on to the fun part, molding our 3D shapes. The stage is set for us to create our 3D shapes. With our cement mixture prepared and our molds at the ready, it's time to bring our vision to life. First, we're going to carefully pour our cement mixture into the 3D molds. Don't rush this part. It's crucial to take your time and ensure that the cement fills every nook and cranny of the mold. Use a small spatula or a similar tool to help guide the cement into all the corners, making sure it's evenly distributed. This meticulous process will result in a more detailed and defined 3D shape. Once the molds are filled, we'll let them dry. Depending on the size of your mold and the thickness of your cement, this could take anywhere from a few hours to a full day. Patience is key here, as removing the shape too early could lead to breakages or distortions. After the cement has dried completely, it's time to carefully remove the shapes from the molds. This step requires a gentle touch. Start by lightly tapping on the back of the mold. The shape should start to separate from the mold's walls. If it doesn't, try gently twisting the mold like you would an ice cube tray. Congratulations! You've just created your 3D shapes. Now let's get them painted and ready for the mural. With our 3D shapes ready, let's bring them to life with some color. Painting is where your personal flair comes into play. Select colors that evoke your desired mood, whether it's vibrant hues for a lively atmosphere or muted tones for a calm setting. Use acrylic paint for its durability and ease of application. Don't be afraid to layer your colors for depth and texture. Now it's time to arrange your painted shapes into a mural. This is where the magic happens. Consider the flow and balance of your design. Perhaps you want your shapes to tell a story or create a particular pattern. Feel free to experiment and rearrange until it feels just right. Remember, the beauty of a DIY project is that it's a reflection of you. It's not about perfection, but about creativity and personal expression. And there you have it, your very own 3D cement mural. Isn't it amazing what you can create with a little cement, some creativity, and a bit of patience?